Buyer stamp duty, or BSD in short. Chances is that whenever buyer heard these three words, buyer stamp duty, they will sian. But it should be a happy problem. Think positive. Can you imagine this? While you're having a nice tasty bowl of shark fin and the shark fin burns your tongue and you say, sian. How would the guy next to you eating porridge feel? So think positive. By design, our buyer stamp duty is progressive in nature. So if this chart looks overwhelming to you, you are normal. Because in this digital world, nobody does manual calculations anymore. Let me show you two quick methods to calculate your buyer stamp duty. So these are the two quick ways to calculate your buyer stamp duty. For property price 1 mil and below, you use 3% minus 5,400. For property price above 1 million, you use 4% minus 15,400. So it's two numbers, 5,400 and 15,400. If you're still confused, call me.